Yo, YouTube, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome back to another special video that I'm giving you guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, whatever you guys celebrate today. Hopefully it's a blessing and hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm having a beautiful morning. I'm having a great morning. Hopefully you guys are doing great. I'm happy that it is Christmas and in the spirit. And guess what, guys? In this video I'm about to do, it's gonna be a POV drive. I'm gonna go get her a car wash, and we got something from Santa. We got a Christmas present for the Camry, and I'm gonna show you guys that. It did rain last night, kind of snowed, but the car is wet. It is dirty a little bit, as y'all can see, but we're about to go get a car wash. She is in the Christmas spirit. She's been waiting to get an upgrade, so we about to upgrade her a little Christmas spirit. The car still holds up. It's been a year. It's been exactly a year, because I filmed a video December 25th, 2024, and I'm giving a new video December 25th, 2025. So the car's clean. It's pretty cool. It's dirty for sure, but yeah, I am grateful and excited to give you guys this POV. I'm just very grateful that I have this black on black Camry once again for a whole year. Congrats, fellas. Congrats. In the last video, you guys did good with numbers. Keep doing your guys' thing. We're gonna keep hitting the charts. We're about to push 2K subscribers, gang. It's only up from here. I appreciate everyone. I love you guys. Keep doing your thing. I do want to shout out to everyone who's inspired of these videos that I'm doing. If I inspire you guys to get a Camry, that's a good thing, because a Camry is a good car. This is a SE, and it's black on black. It's a custom car, so I got the black tires, I got the black emblem, and I got the black word lettering and stuff in the back. So if you guys want that, I will put a link down below to all the different models of the cars. Y'all can pick whatever one, but I'm not gonna lie, I would low-key get the hybrid versions because they're better. You know, if you have 51 miles per gallon off rip, so car can last you, if you don't drive it a lot, probably last you 2 weeks, a full tank. I'm telling you guys, that's meta. Also, I want to announce that the 25 and the 26 Camrys are the best looking Camrys out there. Besides the 2022 TRD models, those with the V6 engines, those are pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. But the new model and the new shape of the Camrys, it's a go-to. It's a banger. I'm telling you, bro, it's a banger. But I'm gonna stop yapping. Merry Christmas. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys do subscribe so we can post more content. I'm gonna post maybe one more video before the end of this year, and in 2026, even better videos, you know what I'm saying? We out. Hopefully you guys got some good Christmas presents or something at least. I got some good stuff. I got mostly clothes, you know. The one big present I want to give you guys is after I do this car wash, because she needs a wash bad. She has been dirty for a while. Last time I gave her a car wash was in September, so I know she's been struggling through all this rain, dirt, snow, mud, a whole bunch of nasty yuck. So we're gonna fix her up, get her clean with my towels and stuff. And then I will be showing you guys the best gift that the Camry has got. But in 2026, I know, chat, that I was talking about a spoiler and the mirror caps. It will come eventually. In 2026, I'm gonna be investing in my car, and I'm gonna be investing in my camera as well. If you invest in yourself, guys, good things will come to you, I promise you. Much love from the Only Carter. But if you guys would like a review, I could give you guys another review. I am actually about to hit 25K miles, so that means I have to go back to get my car maintenance, get tires rotated, oil change, see if I need new tires. I probably don't need new tires. I'll be good for another year. I think I have a warranty as well. But also, I do have a video that's going to be dropping today at 5 o'clock. I'll be probably posting this video either tomorrow. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Hopefully the GoPro does not die, because I'll be a little salty. And I left my charger at home. This is my favorite spot I go to if I don't have time to wash my car handily, like use it with my hands. So I go to this place right near Conrad. It's called Blue Falls Car Wash. So I'm gonna go over there real quick. Probably do like, you know, maybe the second one, because I don't really need that much. I just need her to be clean just for today, just for today's content. You know what I'm saying, y'all? I remember when there was nothing back here. They just made these apartments like maybe 5 years ago. Shoot, I gotta wait. Go ahead and wait. It's a sweet BMW.
Enter wash now.
So let me show you guys. So I'm going to spoil you guys some good information. I'm going to be getting this steering wheel, Camry carbon fiber steering wheel, 9th gen. It's pretty sweet. I'm going to get this for my car. Honestly, it will look sweet. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to get that in 2026. The mirror caps are on the way. I'll probably be getting that, you know, maybe January. Nah, actually maybe January, February. I'm going to get that. Actually, yeah, I might, cause my guy who does my my body work and aftermarket stuff is called Sabetti Auto Shop. It's in Kent, Ohio. If you guys ever want to go get some aftermarket stuff, go over there. Unless if you're in the Ohio area, it's called Sabetti Auto Shop. I'll put it in this video as well, so you guys can know. But yeah, it's a pretty good shop. His name's Chris. He gets me right every time. But yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get that. Let's see how many subs we're at. So we're currently sitting at 679. So basically 680 subs. Good job, y'all. We're doing pretty good with the videos. I appreciate you guys once again. Much love. We keep running up the numbers. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna show you guys what the surprise is when I get back. Alright, we just got it. I'm gonna go out a little bit. So I'm gonna drive the car. I'll be right back, y'all. That's my pops right there. So I'm gonna clean this real quick. And then I got the surprise for y'all. Hopefully the GoPro does not die. But yeah, the car looking clean. Once we get her cleaned up, we gonna be solid. The car wash did its thing. The car's all clean, black, clean, fresh. You know, it's still a little dirty on that side. I got the rest. It was just a little bit of salt. But yeah, that's the final touch, fellas. I get the darker tint. Oh, look, this is what I was talking about. If you like this hoodie, Live Your Purpose, I can show you the other products as well. He has t-shirts, podcasts, lifestyle, everything. I'll drop it down in the chat. If you guys do like these type of hoodies, I will drop it down in the link below so you guys can cop it, you know what I'm saying? But further ado, I'm gonna give you guys the final touch, and that'll be the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I love you guys. It's cold outside. It's like 37 degrees. Bands will make her day. Dang, I can't believe it's been a year since I had this car. Truly grateful for everything. Yo, guys, check this out real quick. Look, I got the reindeers, got my set, I got the nose. To the guy who said don't forget the antlers and the nose, I got you, man. You know I don't forget. Merry Christmas. This is the gift that I got. Got the nose, I got the antlers. Let me show y'all. Even the car is clean. Sweet. And I got one special thing right here. I got the tail. What y'all boys think? What y'all boys think? Car is sweet, man. After 1 year of having the Camry, I'm grateful and I'm happy and I'm blessed. Hopefully you guys are blessed. Do something special today. Do something good with your family. You know, eat good. I'm gonna eat good. I'm gonna be happy for the New Year's. Make sure you guys watch Stranger Things. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this POV drive. God bless. Merry Christmas. Make sure you guys do subscribe. We out. The Only Carter out.